Hello, it's Annelie, and today I'm going to try something. I bought this artist gel clear. I've got a few colors: burnt sienna, burnt umber, burgundy, Indian yellow hue, deep turquoise, titanium white, cadmium medium hue, yellow ochre, and cadmium red. I'm going to take my palette knife. I'm going to mix my colors into this clear gel, and I'm going to paint a small landscape on this. I haven't got an idea what I'm going to do, but I'm going to try something. Just give me a moment to get my colors out. I'm just going to get some of this gel out. I haven't worked with it before, so it's going to be a first. I've got a few palette knives here. I'm not sure what I'm going to use. I've got a few of these silicone, I don't know what you call them, but you can make marks with it. And I've got my trusted bamboo skewer. So I'm not going to plan. I'm just going to enjoy myself. So I'm going to take out my colors, and you can just watch me paint. I don't know what I'm going to do, so I'm just going to paint, and you must please sit back with a cup of tea or something and enjoy. Okay, this gel is a clear gel, so it's going to dry clear. So I will need to remember that when I go along with my paint. So I'm just going to work a little bit of that into there. If this is going to be too transparent, I will put a burnt umber wash over this when it's dry, but I will just see how it dries first. So I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put in a few trees with this. With this pointy thing, I don't know what you call it. Remember, I'm going to put in a wash afterwards, so that will maybe cover up that brown. I'm not sure what I'm doing, but I'm trying. Just want to make some fine lines. I'm just going to wait until it's dried. Then I'm going to put in the trees, or a little bit more semi-dry, because it's too wet now. And then I'll put in my trees, and then I will decide what I need to do next. But for now, it's too wet to do anything. Okay, this one is dry now. It's still got a little bit of texture, but it dried a little bit flat. I hoped it was going to be more, you know, more texture, but it's okay. So I'm just going to do these trees quickly. I'm going to make the ones on the right hand side. I'm going to put burnt umber, and then I'm going to highlight on the left hand side, as if my light is coming from that side. So I'm just going quickly into all these ridges that I made. So you can just watch me paint now. And this is gonna take me a little bit of time to do this. Sorry for that in the background. We have a power, we haven't got power, so yeah, that's a generator. So I just want to show you the texture paste that I used, or the gel, did lose a lot of body, but overall I'm satisfied. It blends nicely into my paints and everything, so I think I will use it. And I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please like and subscribe and hit that bell so that you can get future uploads of my next videos. And I will see you next time. Have a lovely day.